This project contains only audio media. It will be exported directly to Screencast.com. Screencast will auto-generate a transcript of the narration. That transcript will be cleaned up in Notepad++, then copied over to Microsoft Word, where Windows Read Aloud will be used to create an updated voice narration. We'll begin by exporting the project directly to Screencast.com. We don't care about the watermark. We'll accept this name and we'll export. After that media has been processed by Screencast, we'll navigate to the transcript and then we will simply copy the transcript in total to the clipboard. So that's Ctrl+C. We'll navigate to an open instance of Notepad++, start off with a blank page, Ctrl+V puts the transcript there. Then I will make sure the cursor is back at the top of the file and I will use a couple of macros in Notepad++ to clean this up. So we'll go to Macro. I have a macro that I can run several times. The one I want to use is called Clean Transcript, and we'll run it to the end of the file. Note that it took out all the timing information that was in the original transcript. Once again, I'll send the cursor to the beginning of the file and I have another macro. It's currently the active recorded macro. It's called Merge All Text. I'm going to use that manually to put all this text into a single paragraph. And to use that macro, I use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P. If I do that, you can see the lines are being merged. Ctrl+Shift+P, Ctrl+Shift+P, Ctrl+Shift+P. I've now completed that process. I'm going to copy this whole thing to my clipboard, so it's Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, going to go over to an open instance of Microsoft Word. Let's start off with a clean slate. So Ctrl+A, delete, Ctrl+V, and there's our cleaned up file. I'm going to make one edit here. I'm going to change this to Camtasia 2025 that looks like this. And over here, I happen to know that I want to hyphenate this. I hyphenate it because I know that will make it sound better when I execute Read Aloud. And to make this easier to see, I'll put a line there. And now with the cursor at the beginning of this sentence, I can go ahead and execute Read Aloud using these controls here. Normally, I would be using Camtasia Recorder in System Audio Only mode to capture what I'm about to create. So let's hear how it sounds. This test is being conducted using the Camtasia 2025 version. This is a very short test of capturing audio only using Camtasia Recorder so that I can try to use voice typing to get a transcript that I can then use with Read Aloud to get an updated voice narration. Okay. That sounds real good. That completes the demonstration for this little tutorial.